Alright guys, what's up, man? Today is another day in the life of Dre, man. Y'all don't know me as Dre, y'all know me as Skinny and the Hemi, but you know what? Today we got some more car shit going on. But before we even start talking about this car shit, let me get a like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video also. If you got anybody that like cars, like car videos, like anything about the car culture, go ahead on and share this video with them. Let them know what I'm about. Let them know that I'm about to show y'all the real shit. I always say that, and I hope I am showing y'all some different shit. Hopefully we can catch us some shenanigans out there. We gotta get this channel growing. We gotta water these seeds, man. That's about it though. Just keep on hanging in there with your boy. We're gonna have us some bangers on the way. We're gonna have us some mods and shit. And the motherfucking whip still the same. No damages. I need to clean this bitch. I ain't cleaned this mug and like, what the fuck is that? Oh! Get away! Coming at me. Oh shit. Oh shit, I had to hold the Glock. I ain't wanna drop that bitch and make it pop. Man, y'all about to fucking smack that bitch with this camera. Y'all saw me swing at that nigga. I ain't playing shit. Anybody can get that motherfucking goddamn. Yeah, I ain't playing, nigga. Shit. Anyway, I'm about to go and get myself together. Just waking up. Motherfucking go get myself together. Gonna hop back to this motherfucking video shit, and I'ma fuck with y'all in a little bit. But we on our way to this car meet. It's not even a car meet. It's a Say Less block party. So say less. I'ma see y'all when I get there. So we out here at this motherfucking meet. At this goddamn motherfucking Fiesta. Y'all see that shit way over there. Come on, bro. I'm about to cut in front of you. I'm playing. Oh, that nigga shit clean in a bitch right here. That's it. That boy rims is clean. I like that boy rims. And he got pink calipers, nigga. For the pussy. Ooh-wee, nigga. Blue drip. What that say? Grand Sport? Okay, it's a Grand Sport with 4Gs on it. That bitch clean. I ain't even gonna fucking lie to you. That bitch clean in the hoe. They got 4Gs on that bitch. With the pink underglows on it. Pink lights. Okay, I see that, boy. I never seen this car. Look at this, man. Shit right here. This shit is clean. He don't got no fucking grime on that. Look at this nigga lights. Black. I ain't seeing that. Street legend out here. That bitch clean.
All the customized, options like the seat belts and,
okay.
the stitching and the, carbon in the interior.
You got the yellow stitch. Okay. And by the way, this is Mob Genius, guys.
What's up, guys? Hey, Mob Genius MOBB with 2 B's, baby, because we big balling out here in Houston, Texas.
Hell yeah.
Double cupping.
Already.
Yeah.
And then the motherfucking got the Stingray lit up in there, too.
Yeah, I got the lit Stingray.
That thing is clean, bro.
Pop the engine basics, see the engine.
Oh, yeah, let me see that. Let me see that. What size they give you? What size it come with?
6.2, yeah.
6.2?
6.2, yeah. That's at 6.2.
Okay.
That's an LT too.
That motherfucker's nice, bro.
Naturally aspirated.
Look at that shit. Gotta upgrade to that camera light.
Yeah.
Can't even see. There you go. The yellow calipers. And these are 305s on the back of this bitch. 30 motherfucking 5s. They come stock with that shit. Yes, sir. That bitch is bad. Look at that. We get better sighting from this side right here. 6.2. Come stock with that right there. Yellow stitch and yellow seat belts. Those are probably options, but man, this car is fucking nice. Hopefully he get up on that bitch. Boy got them big swingers, man. Look at them hoes. Them bitches is poking. Look at my foot. Compared to them bitches is poking. Poking, man. That right there is a part of Houston, actually Texas, even Louisiana. And that bitch is loud as hell. Okay. Alright.
You're gonna go down that way, then you're gonna bring it back. Okay. Alright, there you go.
Check him out. Hey, time Ghost Ride. Nobody in the wheel. Ghost Ride. Down the color. Ghost Ride. Ghost Ride.
This nigga crip walking on the motherfucking hood and ghost riding. That bitch swinging. That nigga got a motherfucking 3-piece going down this motherfucking street, man. On wheels, brother. On fucking wheels.
Wow, I love it. That boy crazy, man. Yeah.
Look at the footwork. Did the first time, nigga. With it just being gray. This nigga done wrapped this hoe. First the hood, it was just all gray. With the yellow scrape protectors. But he went in on the head and got the motherfucking hood wrap. That shit right there is clean. Right here. I've been watching some of your videos. I seen you out there. Wicker Bill. Got the big tips on there. Hell yeah, that's the grown folks tips. That's for the grown folks. I ain't got them yet because I'm still little. This bitch right here is nasty. Street lightning. Man got the motherfucking foes. Can't see them hoes. Got the motherfucking 392 Juggernaut out here. Boy looking clean. Hey, you got them you got them put on? Them right there. Yeah. Them fog lights?
Oh, that's a 2020.
They come with that with the fog? Oh, that bitch clean.
I still got a tag on that bitch.
Man. Hey, you went to Galveston with them street dice? I think I remember you. Yeah, I was with y'all on the, I was riding back, on the way back, just flying on the motherfucking road. Hell yeah. That boy got the motherfucking big tips on the back. Them ain't the regular ones, huh? That's a big one. That's a 5s? Yeah. That boy clean. Hey, you got an Instagram or something, man? I can link you up with this car?
Yeah, Scatty_Sasha 2.0.
That's the bet, man. Yes, sir. Y'all heard him. Hell yeah, that boy come out here loud. Than a bitch. And that was that motherfucking all black CTSV that we saw earlier. 3V, no SRT. Look at this bitch over here lighting up. Them tires are thick too. And this car sounds good. I've heard it before. There you go. Bang bang. I like them 300s though. You get luxury and you get the motherfucking V8. Got motherfucking street runner. RT out here. Like them fucking rims. Them bitches clean. This your shit, bro? What you got done to this? That is in a cooler intake. That bitch move?
Little bit.
It got some good sound to it.
Yeah.
How them headers do on it though?
Yeah,
somebody told me they told me chartreuse was good to put on them, but I don't know. Like, you feel anything different in it?
Yeah, long tube
better. For real. Alright, I think I might have to go that way then. You got a dyno yet? No dyno? That's a bit. That motherfucker clean, bro. I like them rims, man. They fucking clean. The man of the car right here.
No, yes sir.
What's your Instagram, bro?
Rose Gold Zay.
Rose Gold Zay. Oh yeah, that shit. I ain't gonna cap. That nigga might smoke me. For real. That bitch sound mean. You guys say you got a cold air and long tubes.
That's it?
That bitch sounds nasty though. Sometimes that's all you need. That rose gold baby. With the rose gold wrap. Like it look kinda like a brown, but then it turns to like a rose gold. Then you got this scat pack right here with no name on it. Man gonna put his license on oh, that's paper plate, that shit gonna get changed. And you got this motherfucking Hellcat RT right here. No cap. Got the Hellcat RT. I'm gonna put a supercharge on that bitch. And then we got this thing right here. This thing tatted up right there. Tatted up. He left his lights on. What did he get put on? He said he got, let's see that shit. Okay, so his look like this. Okay, I see it. I see it. He got these tinted, y'all. He got that shit right there tinted. And why the hell he still got this writing on his shit? They need to do a better job when they clean them tires and get that writing off my nigga tires. Got my nigga fucked up. That's the Subaru that was trying to race me. Man, it is. Got the marrow out here.
Yeah, the weight for friends that work on friends that own something. They say if you can't replace this axle, you have to get the whole trailer. So
Whose car is this? Is it his?
Nah, I don't like slow cars, bro.
Oh shit. So y'all going in a straight line in this bitch then? It look like that bitch made for corners.
It's Houston stock.
So, I'm guessing since that's slow, that's faster than that. Who car this is? That's one. Oh, so his shit faster than yours.
That's what,
Oh man,
that's what we were just talking about right now.
It's the truth. I got something that's slower than both of these. My shit over there, that red one.
Is that rose gold one?
Nah, the one right there, the red one next to that white one.
Oh shit, I fuck with that.
Appreciate it, man.
Nah, what is that, scat?
It's RT.
Okay.
Yeah. I keep up with some. How much horsepower your shit got? Because I seen some with like like mid 4s. And I seen some with like below 3. And that's without a tune. Where you at?
Yeah, I don't want to let it out. It's in the 500s.
The 500s? Oh.
I got my dynos.
Let me see them tires.
I got stocks on right now, but I'll show you how it normally looks.
Oh, you got a setup for it?
Yeah, bro.
You smell that?
Huh?
You smell that?
What it smell like?
That's how it normally.
Back
That's how it normally looks. But right now, I'm
pushing no 500.
I swear to God, 503.
So he just. Hey.
Who is he tuned by?
Them bitches clean though.
Yeah, exactly. You know, it's
I ain't even gonna lie.
I appreciate it, bro.
That bitch clean, bro.
Has he beat it?
Yeah, I locked him. There you go, right there. He set up for the fuck shit, so fuck with him. Y'all trying to race, both of them. He lying like a bitch. Hold on. And my face. Uh-oh. You about to give it one? Oh, look at that. Got the little Mustang. It's the details, y'all. Oh, let me hold my ear. Huh? Go ahead. Seen a lot of these around lately. This is your car, man? Nice little car. Got the Christmas lights. I like those tires. Put them things nice. Look at this. Where's the Instagram at? Ugly boy. Yeah. So right now, y'all, we are on the way to the next one. Is that where Mark is at? Let me see. Who's that?
How the fuck y'all not there yet?
Hey, we on our way.
I seen y'all about 10 minutes ago.
Sound like Jurassic Park in this bitch, nigga. Sound like dinosaurs, nigga. Uh-oh. God damn! Hey! Fuck! Go ahead, you got that bitch? Get that hoe! Don't brace, girl. Nah, I was looking for that bitch at the last one we just said. I seen you pass by. Yeah. I heard that bitch. I'm like, oh, that's that kid right there. There you go, y'all. Motherfucking iykyk, man. What's your Instagram, bro?
@king_ness, NESS3.
There you go, y'all.
That bitch is fast. That shit's crazy.
Look, bro, let me get some sound clips of that bitch real quick. I seen you run. I seen you run from the cops yesterday.
Yeah, I dusted the shit out the cops.
I seen that stupid ass. Okay. That motherfucker, this ain't the ordinary Kia, my nigga. Hell yeah. I can't even see where I'm going. That's what the fuck I'm talking about, my nigga. This ain't the regular motherfucking Kia, my nigga. Hell no. Yeah. This motherfucker do the damn thing. Hell yeah.